Hey guys, in this video we will learn about some basic functions in Excel. Guys, on the screen I have some managers and their quarterly commission. Now I want to know what the total commission for the year is, what is the average commission, the minimum and the maximum commissions earned by the managers. Guys, first of all we'll start with calculation of the total commission. Guys, we can calculate the total commission by using sum function, AutoSum function, or maybe by adding the individual cells. Guys, we'll start with adding the individual cells. Guys, I'll select column F and row 3, that is cell number F3. Here I will start with is equal to, then I will select all the cells which will give me the total commission earned by Sunny during the year, is equal to quarter 1 commission plus quarter 2 commission, quarter 3 commission, and similarly quarter 4 commission. I will press enter. This will give me the total commission earned by the first salesman or manager. Guys, I can simply double click on the fill handle which will copy the formula, and we can see we in this way we'll get the total commission of all the managers. Guys, now we'll use the sum function. For that we have to press is equal to, then sum bracket start, the range of data for which we want the total, and the bracket close. Guys, you can see again we get the total commission earned by the manager first. We can double click on the fill handle to copy the formula down. Guys, the quicker way to do this totaling thing is by using the AutoSum function. We just have to select the cell where we want the total and simply click on AutoSum function. This will automatically select the range and will give us the sum. We'll press enter. Guys, we'll double click on the fill handle. This will give us the total commission of all the managers. Guys, I will not use the fill handle for AutoSum function because I have some interesting fact about the AutoSum function which I want you to know. I will delete the totals. We'll select the cell we want the total. We'll again click that AutoSum. Again AutoSum. Now guys, you will see that the AutoSum function will not work for Nicholas commission. Let me show you first. Instead of selecting the Nicholas commission, it has selected the above two totals. Guys, this is the fact which I was talking about earlier. Basically, AutoSum function will sum up the items which are above the selected cell provided the number of items above are 2 or more than 2. If the items or the numbers above the selected cell are less than 2, it will automatically total the numbers which are on the left hand side. Guys, so what I can do is I can simply select the range manually or myself and I will press enter. Now you can see I will get the total sales of Nicholas. Again I will click or double click on the fill handle. You can see I get the total sales of all the managers now. Guys, the shortcut which I often use in my office is Alt is equal to. This is the shortest way of totaling the figures above the selected cell, provided there is no blank cell or there is not even a single cell which contains text or non-numeric data. I'll press enter and then I will drag the fill handle to the column or to the cell where I want the total. Guys, our next function is average function. With this function, I will be able to get the average commission earned by the managers quarterly. I will start with is equal to, then I will type average, start the brackets, the data for which I want the average, close the bracket, and I will press enter. Guys, this is the average commission earned by Sunny during the year. Double click on the fill handle. You can see I get the average commission for all the managers. Similarly, if I want to know what is the maximum commission earned by Sunny, guys, we have only 4 sets of data, so it is pretty obvious and pretty easy to find out in which quarter the manager earned the maximum commission. But if we have a large data, then this function will be very useful. We'll start with is equal to, type max, start bracket, the data range for which we want to use this function, and close the brackets. The maximum commission earned by Sunny is 1832.53. Double click on the fill handle, will copy the formula down. You can see now our last formula is minimum function. If we want to know the minimum commission earned during a quarter, we'll type is equal to min, min, bracket start, select the range for which we want to apply the formula, bracket close, and enter. Double click on the fill handle, will give us the minimum commission earned by all the managers. Guys, please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.